I turned my dining room into my son's playroom, but one thing that never got updated is this wall art, which is why I'm so excited that I was gifted this canvas art print. Seriously, let's just look how cute it is. The quality is fantastic. It is a canvas print and it is on a wooden frame. This is the 32 by 16 inch size, which is the perfect size for my wall right here. And it even comes with some mounting material. However, I do already have nails in the wall, so I'm hoping this will be in a decent enough spot to just take that off and put this one up. Okay, so my existing hardware may be a little bit wide for this, but I mean, look how cute it's going to look. The animals in here are so adorable. I love them so much. My son has already started naming them. I'm going to need to find a level before I hang this up, but I will just hold it up for you to see how adorable it's going to look in this space. So I just wanted to say thank you so much to the brand for sending this to me so that I could share it with you.